हम उदयपुर से बिलोंग करते हैं। मेरा नाम अरविंद कुमार सांखला है, डॉक्टर अरविंद कुमार सांखला। आई एम रिटायर्ड डीन कॉलेज ऑफ डेयरी फूड साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी. My wife is retired dean college of home science college. We came here to explore the possibility of getting operation of hernia. Immediately Dr. Abhishek Vyas said us that within no time I can do the tomorrow also, no problem, but it is advisable to get the operation as early as possible. Then day after tomorrow we admitted here and we got our operation of hernia done yesterday. And he has just took the round morning and he said, now you can discharge. We are happy that we are discharging from here.
He said you are perfectly okay. Now you can carry on your routine activities, and today we'll be discharging. So we are satisfied with the performance of the hospital staff, Dr. Saab, and all supporting staff.
As far as the doctor is concerned, he is a very straightforward person, very good person, well behaved. And immediately when I was not in mood to have my operation here at this hospital, but when I met
After meeting Dr. Abhishek Vyas, we finally decided that we'll get our operation done here in Paras JK.